Hello everyone, and today I am going to be doing a video. I just want to say, yes, I have just woken up and I thought why not make this video because it'd be perfect just to show you my morning routine, what I sort of do with my skin again. But why not, every time I get something new, why not do an update on this, because I believe that this sort of stuff is really important for not just girls and guys as well. You know, guys can do this sort of stuff. Every time I get a product, I'm always going to update it because you know, I want to show you guys and I really want to help you guys get great skin too, especially in the morning. And it's amazing because I've literally got no spots on my face, which is like which is really cool, and it's something weird because you'd expect one spot, but I haven't got any spots on my face. And like I said, I was really conscious about that as a kid. I used to, you know, if I saw a spot and it had a yellow part in it, I used to get really nervous because I didn't want any girls or anyone to see. But now I haven't had spots in like a year or two, so yeah, so I want to help you guys out. So without further ado, let's get to it. And also, good morning guys, wherever you are. Hope you are safe, hope you're going to enjoy this video. I love you all. Let's get to it. So I'm in the bathroom now and I'm going to start my routine. Again, as you can see, if we get in the light, I haven't really got any sort of spots, which is pretty cool, as you can see. And it's all because of the skincare routine, and it also helps to keep your skin hydrated, including normal water and all those other tips I'm going to be showing you right now. So without further ado, let's get started. So what I do first of all is brush my teeth, and then I get to the skincare stuff. But I do the teeth brushing first. I use this stuff because this stuff actually really helps. So there you go. If you're wondering what I use, is I'm not even going to try and even say that. Here you go. Okay, so after the teeth brushing, I just put it away. Then I just do my ears actually. Gotta clean those ears. But what you gotta make sure is not to go too far in your ear, just work around the ear. This is the stuff that I've been using recently, and I tell you what, this makes my skin look even better. So I recommend you get this. And what I tend to do is first, I tend to wash my face and then dry it, and then do what I've previously done, apply it, and then let it set for a bit, and then wash my face for a bit. Okay, so we got the water. Now we just gently don't want to scratch our face. And then what we need to do is use this stuff only a little bit. I'd say that's enough. Just work my way around. I should use my hairnet to keep hair out of the way. Long hair sometimes sucks. Okay, and what we need to do is just work around the skin, and then I always keep rubbing it until it blends in with my skin, so you don't want to see this. Yeah, this stuff is really good when it comes to moisturising your skin. If it's dry and it needs a bit more in, you know, it helps me out a lot, because as you can see, there's not really any spots on my face, which is weird for a kid my age. So when you start getting, just start hydrating your skin like with water, and just this sort of stuff that I'm using, which I'll show you in the video. Remember guys, not too hot, you don't want to burn your face. then we just get a towel and just dry off. Water always gets in my hair, that's why I always use a net. I haven't got one right now. Okay, so that is what I basically do in the morning. Like now, I only use one thing now in the morning. And if I get spots, I use Spotless, so that's why I'm going to go into my room and show you guys what I use. But this is what I do every morning. I just do my ears, brush my teeth, and just wash my face, and that's it. Hey guys, so hopefully you heard me before. I'm sorry I was a bit too quiet. I'm going to try and like higher up the volume if I can. Hopefully the audio wasn't messed up. I'm sorry about that guys, it's because I don't really talk loud. I get really nervous when I'm filming in front of like people that are next door to me, especially my brothers. They tend to make fun of me for all this sort of stuff, but you know, I don't want to get anyone's attention making this video, but I really enjoy doing this sort of stuff, but you know, brothers can be like. So I decided to do it in my room, and as you can see, my room looks really different, and I'll be making a video on that soon. But right now I'm going to get dressed and you know, show you guys the other products that I used previously in the past, which also helped me as well. And I'm going to pick out the ones from the box that actually do help me. You know, I'm not going to like show like a whole bunch of them, because you don't need all of them, you just need a few of them. And yeah, that's what I'm just going to do. And yeah, I'm going to get dressed guys. I'll see you in a second. You know, this is my hair pretty much in the morning. It's getting really long. I love having long hair because I don't know why, I keep watching my old videos where I had short hair and I just don't like it at all. I never liked having short hair, like really short hair. I remember when my dad used to cut my hair and he only knew one style of like to cut, is basically essentially just shave it all off. And that, I don't know if it's because of the army or what, but yeah, there we go. Maybe, yeah. Yes, perfect. I'm sorry guys, I'm wearing shorts because it is really warm. I just wanted to put another shirt on just to show that I'm not really lazy at all. And maybe later on I'll do a room tour to show you guys some of the stuff that I actually got and stuff that are different, you know. So, okay, so this box right here is where I keep some of my stuff. And now I'm going to make this short for you guys because I'm not going to show you all of them. I'm going to show you the ones to me that are the ones that are helpful and useful. So maybe I'll show all of them, but I'll just pick out the main ones that you might need, because like I said, I started off using a few products and I started using just one, and it's kept my skin looking really great. And the only reason why it looks weird down here is because I have to shave now, and I shaved recently because I really don't like facial hair. I think it makes me look a bit scruffy and a bit too old, and I just like the clean look, you know, classic. Okay, so this is the first one I used in the video. This stuff's really good. You know, because I wouldn't make a video about something like this if it didn't work. And it's not a promotional video because I'm not that popular, so it's not one of them sponsored videos you see on YouTube. I'm just showing it you guys because it is really good. So as you can see, is this what you're looking for? And then you can use that every day and your skin looks way better afterwards. I always notice my skin looks better in comparison than the morning. But you apply this day and night, so like in the morning when you wake up, and in the like night before you go to bed, and your skin just looks really good at night especially as well. Normally your skin looks like she's been up all day and not like that, but it keeps you looking nice, makes healthier looking skin. It looks really cool. So there's the first one. Okay, so I'm going to show you some of the stuff that I use. I haven't used this in a long time, these two charcoal ones. Normally these are the face masks that I use, but I might try using them again. I haven't used them for a while because my skin looks fine. I think this is to draw out your pores, but my pores look actually pretty good, if I do say so myself. So when I notice anything wrong, or one of the days I decide to, you know, go full relaxed, I'll use this. So this is the thing that I use. These are the two that I use right here. This is more facial moisturizer cream. I haven't used this one yet, but I'm just showing you guys what I have. This one smells really nice. This is the body wash. I recommend you get it. You end up smelling really, really good. Yeah, hopefully you can see that. There you go. That's the other one, which is the same product I've just noticed as the one that I've first shown off. So yeah, this is a really good view for a video. I like this. I need my microphone this time because I don't know if the camera's going to pick up all the audio for some reason. Of course, I got dental floss to work around the teeth. Sometimes I haven't used this in a while because I haven't noticed anything stuck around my teeth, but I got the dental floss there just in case. More facial cleansing scrub, you can see there, same stuff. As you can see, I've just got a whole bunch of facial cleansing in case I ever run out, and it is for men, so you know, don't get like thinking you're saying it's for girls, cause it says for men too, so it says for men right there, so don't worry about it. I never really cared anyway, to be honest. Like, you know, guys can look after themselves too, and it's super important for us as well to put in an effort as well to look good every day. It's super important. It not only just lets people see how good you look, but throughout it makes you feel good too, knowing that you're actually taking care of yourself, which is more important. And then this is the most important one. This isn't for skin, this is for when you go to the toilet. This is it, and it smells really nice. So like if you got a certain smell, if you know what I'm talking about, you never know when you need it. I'm not putting that on my bed because it's slimy. I haven't used this yet, but I probably will use it in the future. And this, oh boy do I know this. Most of my teenage years was around this spot zapping gel. I remember, if you look at my old videos, I used to have so many spots on my face. Like I used to have one here, here and here, or whatever. And this is the thing that I used to clear up, and it stung like, oh my god, I never forgot the smell. But most of my teenage years consisted of this, like from school to college, and it's never really happened now. It's weird. It's so weird that I haven't used this in years. I haven't, probably since I left school. I can't remember, because I don't remember using it at college actually. So that's how pretty cool it is, guys. Like, keep really healthy skin. Your skin's gonna get used to it, and keep looking after it. It's just gonna think, you know what, we're not gonna let you use all that spot stuff. We're gonna keep this skin clear for you. And yeah, this is what I used to use. It's like if you go to school and you're in the same situation that I was, this is the stuff for you. And, you know, you put it on at night, the black ones, and you put it on you and it dries over it, and hopefully, you know, it gets rid of it by morning. So yeah, because I'm nearly 20 now. I'm nearly 20, and for most of my teenage years consisted of this. Then this is a must-have, and there'll be more better products too than this, of course, but for now just stick with this one. It's really cheap, and it's actually pretty useful too, in case you want to put it on in the middle of the day or anything like that. So yeah, okay, these are the ones that are super important to me. I love these. These little miniature like sort of sprays, you spray it on you and you get like a really nice smell around you. Or there's this one where you gotta literally pour it and like dab it around you, and I love this sort of stuff. You know, it makes me feel confident knowing that I'm actually smelling really nice and I'm prepared for the day. Especially before all this quarantine stuff, I used to just go out and just get nicely dressed, you know, because I believe that when you go out you've got to look your best, you know. Not only makes you feel confident, but people around you will see you in a good way. When I dress really nice, people expect me to dress really nice, and that's just me, and I really do like that. So roll on for PE. I remember this at school where I needed this stuff for PE because for some reason our school never really let us use the showers until we left school, which was very weird. But this is the stuff that I used when I used to shower and not shower. Roll-on was really good to start the day off and end the day. So that's the stuff that I used to use. I don't really use roll-on. I use link spray because it helps me, because I've got weird skin. Now, my hair doesn't work with these, but they'll work for you because, I don't know, my hair just works weird. Styling wax isn't too bad, but I remember when this stuff used to work when I was at school. I could spike my hair up and it'd stay there till the end of the day. Honestly, I looked like a cartoon. It was so gelled, it would stick there, you know, nothing would even blow it out of the way. But nowadays, for some reason, I can't really gel my hair the same anymore. It doesn't even want to stay up. But I don't really use gel anymore, or I just use a brush, or sometimes I use spray to keep it solid. I don't really use this sort of stuff, but teenage years wise, I'd say I recommend it, you know, especially like for school or anything like that, whenever you want to use it basically. If you want to know what I use, it's the VO5 ones, as you can see right there. And the last one of all is the Vaseline lip therapy. Now I use this in case my lips get dry, so half the time my lips get rarely dry, like right now. They're always like this. Sometimes, you know, if you get really dry, I use this sort of stuff and it's really helpful. So I'm not going to say anything more about it because everyone knows what Vaseline lip therapy is. But in case you got cracked lips, this stuff will most likely help you. So yeah. So from all these products, the gels I don't really need to discuss about, but the ones that I would say I really need the most are the first one I showed you guys. This is the one I use the most now, so I would say this is a must-have. Of course, I think the roll-on is a must-have, just in case. If spray you want, but for school-wise, I recommend you use the Vivid spray. Oh, it's the same product, it's not even links. So use that sort of stuff, because for some reason this stuff always manages to stop me sweating after I've had a shower or whatever. This sort of stuff is really useful for, you know, because sometimes when you use a roll-on it sweats down your armpit. This stuff is good for keeping stuff there, you know. So yeah, body spray I recommend as well, especially this, because you know, it's good to keep around you when you go into the bathroom in public restrooms and just want to touch up a little bit. So I would recommend toilet spray, you know, because you never know when you need it, especially if a girl coming over or whatever stuff. None of that stuff happens to me, but it might happen to you, and I'm sure you've been in a situation where your toilet stinks and a girl's come over and she's had to use that toilet. So, you know, treat her to something that doesn't smell like poop, and get King in a Million and treat her to something that smells actually really nice. This stuff I actually recommend as well, the charcoal as well. So like when you got blackheads or anything like that, and it's just good to pamper yourself, treat yourself. So I put this on every night. I used to put this on every night, and my face ended up looking amazing because I noticed the parts that had dirt in it, it would just clear it out as soon as, and you notice there's a difference when you use this sort of stuff. So that's what I recommend. Teenage years, I'd say, I don't really use this anymore, but teenage years, school and all that, use Z-Zone Spot Zapping Gel. That's definitely must have for the teenage years. Honestly, it's pretty much relatable. Everyone pretty much uses like zit stuff. You will need dental floss to get through those teeth, and yeah, you never know when you need it. It becomes a lifesaver. So like if you ever have something in your teeth from McDonald's or whatever, go into one of the public toilets or something like that, or whatever has a mirror, and just get it out of your teeth. Vaseline is a must-have as well for your lips. Like I said, cracked lips, easy solution. The rest of the products, if I'm honest, I haven't used yet, so I don't know how these perform, but I will update you guys. But this stuff as well, this stuff, the Jack Will stuff, actually smells really nice. It's like a blue version which smells amazing. So I recommend the Jack Will stuff because, honestly guys, I haven't smelled anything so nice, and you might have a different taste, but for me this stuff is really nice for body musk and stuff like that to keep you fresh, and you know, it just smells real nice when you have it on in the shower and stuff like that. I think that's it guys. I've really enjoyed making this video, and hopefully the audio hasn't messed up, because I would really love to edit this with no problems whatsoever. And I'm sorry if the first part of this the skincare routine was awkward. It was because, you know, people in the house, and, you know, not many people understand about it, and I get really embarrassed sometimes making a video, so that's why I always keep it in my room. So yeah guys, so hopefully you guys did enjoy this, and hopefully you guys are all safe through this whole quarantine stuff. Hopefully you're doing the right things you should. I love you all, and I hope you and everyone around you is safe. And yeah, so thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more videos. Love you always, and stay safe. Peace. Bye.